Hello everyone, this is Joan of Health and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be here and share my passion for health, weight loss, and lifestyle with women over 50. You see, as we age, it becomes even more important to take care of ourselves and maintain a healthy lifestyle. That's why I've created this channel to provide a space for women just like you to come together and learn the latest tips and tricks for living a healthy and fulfilling life. So, whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your life, or simply learn more about leading a healthy lifestyle, this is a place for you. Today, I'm excited to share with you a topic that I'm passionate about: creating a health conscious kitchen for a happier and healthier lifestyle. As we all know, our health is one of the most important things in our lives, and what we eat plays a huge role in that. That's why it's so important to have a kitchen that supports our health and wellness goals. But what exactly does a health conscious kitchen look like? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a kitchen that is both healthy and functional, and show you some of my favorite tips and tricks for making a healthy eating a breeze. All right. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment and share it. Also, if you stay to the end, I've got a great gift for you. Hello, and welcome to the lesson where we talk about creating a health conscious kitchen. We want to continue the momentum from everything that we've learned with our time together. Having a healthy kitchen, including a healthy pantry and refrigerator, takes commitment. I want to set you up for success, so let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is we want you to stock up on wholesome ingredients so that you can cook with confidence. If you haven't done so yet, I want you to get rid of all the junk food. It's just not good for you, your family, or the planet. The next thing is choose organic as much as possible, because plants that are certified by the USDA accredited agencies, they're actually produced without genetic engineering, radiation, sewage slush, chemical pesticides, herbicides, or synthetic fertilizers. Also, I want you to get used to choosing non-GMO, which is genetically modified, because we still don't yet know what they are doing to our health and our well-being. I want you to also to consider selecting grass-fed or pasture-raised. So grass-fed is actually reserved for beef, bison, goat, lamb, and then pasture-raised applies to pork, poultry, and eggs. You see, when animals eat corn and soy, which most feedlot animals do, both corn and soy are genetically modified. But these animals, they're meant to eat grass. And when they eat soy and corn, their poor bodies become inflamed, they get diseases, and then they're pumped full of antibiotics, and they're miserable. So consider this: whatever you're ate, this goes into your body as well. I'd also like you to consider buying wild-caught fish, because wild-caught has better nutrition than farmed, and this is why. Farm fish are actually fed corn and soy. Yes, they are. And they have high levels of inflammatory omega-6. And when you eat those fish, that gets ingested into you as well. In addition to that, farmed fish have higher levels of contaminants, and you don't want that in your body either. So here is a list of what you can buy to put into your kitchen. I'm also going to leave a link to each one of these so that you can print that up to go to the grocery store. So to have a health-conscious kitchen, here are some of the things that you can buy. For meat and seafood, for your vegetables, for your fruits, for your dairy, or actually your dairy-free, and your herbs and spices. All right, we'll see you on the next lesson. Thank you so much for watching. This is Joan of Health. Please like and share this video, and also make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.